Hello and welcome to my channel JEE Maths PYQs. If JEE Maths feels difficult, you are in the right place. Here we simplify important PYQs with easy explanations and step-by-step solutions to build speed and confidence. Let's get started with today's topic. Today's topic is permutations and combinations, and we will discuss a question on number of intersections of diagonals in a polygon. This question appeared in JEE Main 2024 and a similar variant in 2022. N is the number of sides of a regular polygon. Number of diagonals of this polygon is 54, and we have to find the number of points of intersection of its diagonals lying strictly inside the polygon. We assume that no three diagonals intersect at the same interior point. A simple question. We have number of diagonals of an n-sided polygon is given by n into n minus 3 upon 2, and in question the number of diagonals given are 54. So we write 54 here. N square minus 3n minus 54 into 2, 108 equals 0. That gives n minus 12 into n plus 9 is equal to 0, because 12 nines are is 108 and difference between 12 and 9 is 3. Since number of sides is positive, n minus 12 equals 0 gives number of sides to be 12. Next, we have to find number of points of intersection of its diagonals lying inside the polygon. We will use the fact that 4 vertices of a polygon generate exactly one unique intersection strictly inside the polygon. Here we can't consider any triangle because triangles do not have diagonals. So therefore, such number of points of intersection will be nc4, 12c4, 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 upon 4 into 3 into 2. 4 3s are 12, 2 5s are 10, 11 into 45, 495. So the required number of points of intersection will be 495. Hence, the correct answer option here is A, 495, this one here. I hope this video helped you understand the concept more clearly. If you enjoyed learning, please like, share, and subscribe to JEE Maths PYQs for more simple and effective JEE Maths walkthroughs. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing.